So I am discussing now question number 5, which is from computer organization. So I'm reading out this question for you. Consider the following processor design characteristics. 1. Register to register arithmetic operation only. Fixed length instruction format, hardware control unit. Which of the following characteristics are design of RISC processor? RISC means reduced instruction set. Reduce instruction set computer. Okay, so RISC is designed only to to make a processor faster. So to make this thing simple, they to make something simple, they have designed three things, like in uh, in place of software they have put a hardware support, and they have just fixed and the instruction length, like